Welcome to AutomationHQ, a no-code, test automation platform. In this video, we are going to show you how to configure the elements required to build our test scripts. In this tutorial, we will be performing a valid login test on our AutomationHQ demo site. The steps are: 1. Go to the AutomationHQ demo site. The URL is automationhq.ai/demo_site1. 2. Navigate to the login page. 3. Enter username and password, then click login button. 4. Verify the correct user logged in, and the correct URL. Now, let's log in to AutomationHQ website. The URL is app.automationhq.ai. Enter your email, then your password, and click login button. After logging into AutomationHQ, click Test Development, and then Elements Library. This is the Elements Library page where we will configure the elements required to build our test scripts. First, we need to create an application. An application is the website we are going to perform automation testing on. Start by clicking the Add Application button. Enter the application name and the base URL of the website. Then click Save button. Now that we have created an application, we need to create pages to further categorize our elements. To do this, click on an existing application. Then click Add Page button. Enter the page name and description. In this page, we will configure the elements found in the AHQ demo site homepage. Now, we are going to add elements required for our automation. To do this, click Add Element button. This will add a row under the elements table. An AHQ element is consist of type of the element, name of the element, by which locator to find the element, and the value of the locator. The first element we need is the dashboard link. Let's enter it as our element name. Now let's go to the AutomationHQ demo site. The URL is automationhq.ai/demo_site1. Open the developer menu by clicking F12. Then, click Elements. This will show all the elements in the page we are currently in. In this example, we are going to use XPath as our locator for the elements. First, we are going to need the dashboard link element. Hover on the element, and right-click, then Inspect. This will highlight the element in the developer menu. Right-click the highlighted element in the developer menu. Then click Copy. Then copy XPath. Now, in AutomationHQ, paste the copied XPath on the value of our dashboard link element. Then, by XPath. The element type is a hyperlink. Let's add another element for the login link. Enter login link as the element name. By XPath. Then go back to the AHQ demo site. Find the element, then right-click, Inspect. Right-click on the highlighted element in the developer menu, then click Copy, then copy XPath. Now, paste as the value for our element. Don't forget to indicate the type of the element, which is another hyperlink. Now, let's save the page and its elements by clicking the Save button. We now have created our first page, the home page. We are now going to repeat the same procedure for the login page and dashboard page. Create the login page. Navigate to the page on the AHQ demo site. Copy the XPath of the required elements. and paste it back in AutomationHQ. This element is a text box. Now repeat the steps for the remaining elements. This element is a button. Now let's save the login page and its elements. The last page we are going to need is the dashboard page, which will contain the logged in user's name. Let's create the dashboard page. Navigate to the dashboard page on the AHQ demo site. In this example, the user's name link is located within the logout link. So, let's enter the logout link as our element in the dashboard page of AutomationHQ. This element is a hyperlink. Let's save the dashboard page. We have now configured all the elements we require to create our test script. We will be using these elements on our next video, Test Development, Test Scripts. Thank you for using AutomationHQ.